In the heart of East Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya, a groundbreaking educational initiative is transforming the lives of students and teachers alike. Introducing the project Ka Lawei, the future. The project Ka Lawei, an initiative by the District Administration of East Jaintia Hills, is revolutionizing education by bringing offline digital smart classrooms to 50 schools in the district. With a strong commitment to empowering students and teachers alike, the Deputy Commissioner is actively driving the project forward, aiming to bridge the educational gap and enable the students in East Jaintia Hills to compete on par with their peers across the country. This ambitious project began in August 2022 as a pilot program in 20 selected schools. Its success led to the second phase, which commenced in January 2023, expanding the project to a total of 50 schools with 166 smart TVs. The objective of the project Ka Lawei is to provide better learning opportunities to students studying in traditional classrooms with limited resources, enhance their engagement in the classroom, and empower teachers to supplement their teaching with offline digital content. With the help of digital learning material, which is especially curated for the EMBO's curriculum, teachers can seamlessly integrate digitized learning content into their lessons. Whether it's clarifying a complex concept with a quick animation or engaging students through practical demonstrations, the digital content serves as a supplementary tool for teachers. This project aims to reach 200 teachers and approximately 6,000 students in grades 8 to 10. The medium of instruction is English, and the subjects covered include mathematics, science, and social science. To ensure the successful implementation of the project Ka Lawei, a systematic methodology was followed. Due to the closure of schools during the COVID-19 pandemic, the students in the rural areas were adversely affected as they had limited or no exposure to online learning, thereby impacting their learning levels. To meet this gap, a baseline survey was conducted to assess the learning levels of the students, and accordingly, a bridge course was devised to address this gap and deficiency in their learning levels. Videos were especially curated to enhance their conceptual clarity on topics in which they were found wanting. Experiential training sessions were conducted for both teachers and students to familiarize them with the technology and its usage.
When I came to class 8, there was smart TV. Then it shows all about the science, the digestive system, and I got more interesting in science.
For every topic in the syllabus, there are simple videos, explanatory videos, and Khan Academy videos too. Since most schools do not have science laboratories, videos of science practicals are also incorporated to expose the students to experiments conducted in laboratories, albeit in a virtual mode.
With the project Ka Lawei, I feel that it is not just beneficial for the student but for us teacher. Before I used to take class with the chalk and board, but now there are better ways where I can make my student understand better. The videos that are showing in the content Sometimes I had to tell them to imagine this is happening, but now I can actually show them what is happening. The class is becoming more active, the students are becoming more active, and we teachers are becoming more active. With the assessment, I can see where my students are lacking, then again I can bridge, I can again continue from where they are lacking behind.
The project Ka Lawei ensures effective monitoring and assessment of the learning trajectory of the student. An integral part of the project is the topic-wise assessment of the students, which gives immediate feedback on the children's performance and helps the teacher gauge the understanding of the child.
I'm very grateful to the Ka Lawei project because now teaching social studies, it makes it much easier. Why? Because now only lecturing and without showing them the image, especially history, if we are talking about the print culture or the machine, without showing them what type of machine has been used during those days, they will not have a clear picture. But with the help of these videos and image, it made the subject clearer to the student. And I believe it also enhanced the learning of the student, and students are getting more information, not only through listening, but also visualizing it.
Monthly assessments are also conducted via tablets to gauge students' progress. Through these monthly tests, a student-wise profile is being generated and gives us a better understanding of the learning improvement of the student. Teachers' usage of the digital smart class is monitored through regular reports. Offline usage reports are synced to an online reporting dashboard, providing detailed insights into teachers' usage across the 50 schools. Besides the subjects of science, social science, and mathematics, teachers are taking the initiative and also utilizing the English course that is available in the project.
Through this program, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner has provided us a very big TV which includes all the syllabus as per required of the student. And we do appreciate this program. Since this program was implemented, all the students are interested to come to school and they enjoy a lot. And this program, we do appreciate it.
The project Ka Lawei, the future, is revolutionizing education in the East Jaintia Hills district. Through the power of technology, students are embracing new learning opportunities, teachers are empowered, and communities are transformed.
We are very, very lucky to have this smart TV, isn't it? Yes. We get to learn so many things. If we study from the book, it's very boring. But if we see whatever is there, we get to remember it for a very long time.
In the mind also, it's very nice because we get to know so many types of bones, the different types of muscle, how they're flexible.
Even chemistry, before we didn't know how the chemicals react with each other, but now we know how they react and what are the formations that take place.
Yes. Even for history, before I find it so boring, but through the smart TV I find it interesting because we get to see the pictures and
yes, about Napoleon.
And also we the students, we are very lucky because whatever the teachers is teaching, we get to see it, and also it be a proof and evidence for us. All thanks for the Ka Lawei project.
Join us as we shape the future of education together.